Hey, what's going on today, guys and gals? Today, I want to show you, some of you have asked about my workflow um, and how I work with my videos on YouTube. So, thought I'd give you a chance and show you right here. I have two different hard drives. Now, this is my Motovlog hard drive. This one right here is actually I want to do different videos on, but these are attached. It's about a 4 gig hard drive. I don't want to keep all my video files on my actual laptop because it will just eat it up. So, well, I'll show you what I'll do. I'm going to open up this hard drive right here, Motovlog 2019, and let's expand it right here. And you can see all my folders here. If you watch my channel, that was my last video, Coronavirus 2020. Uh, Here's some folders, Arkansas Writing. It's one of my previous videos, Dropped Wing, and I use Final Cut Pro X. In Final Cut Pro X, you can operate a external library so that the files reference. And here is that library I have created called Motovlog 2019. And you can just see all these folders here of different footage. In other words, if I do a ride, let's say I did a FTR 1200 demo, I created a folder for it, and I would just drop all the files into here. There's the MP4. There would be the thumbnail picture right there. When I did the Griot's Garage 3-inch polisher, so I would dump all the files in here. And here's all the video files. Here's the video files. There's the audio file. And this is actually the final render right here. So anyway, I would import all the audio into, and video into a folder right there. So let's go. Then I would open up my Motovlog 2019 and let's just see what's taking place there. So you can see it's opened up here, and you'll notice, let me expand that all the way. You'll notice over here are all my events. Those come from the individual folders that I have. You can just scroll down here and see there's a Griot's Garage Polisher. Let's just open that up right there. And you can see right there, here is the audio track. I recorded separate audio. Here is a video track. Another video track as well. Right there. And I'm actually missing a file. I'm not sure. That must be because I relocated a file right there. So anyway, I put those in right there. Then I would go up and create a project, and I called it Griot's Garage 3-inch random polisher. And I've already done this video right here. So you can see, let me expand. This is what's going on. This is my timeline down here. Everything gets dragged down here. You can see I've got an audio track down there. That kind of leads into the intro. I'll just play that a little bit right there. And you can see over here the audio. So we'll just pause that right there. I also drag my thumbnail, which you see right there, and transform it down. I'll show you how to do that. I can transform it. You can see right there, I can make it as big, make it as small as I want, drag it over in place, set it down like such, position it where I want to, kind of back the opacity down, hit done. I'm finished right there. And we go along, and you see these up here. These are cut-ins. I talked about my buddy James, so I referenced the file, and it'll switch to this top line right here on this. But this is Final Cut Pro X, where I actually do everything at right here. I get toward the end of the video, where sometimes at the end screen you see the different videos right here. Insert this right here, and here's the music track to go out. You can see it goes out right there. plays out right there. So, and when I get ready to finally export it, once I've got everything done, I go up to File, Share, and I will share a master file right here. And I'm going to, it's okay, it's missing a tile or so, it's no problem. So I would get ready to go, and it'll show me how large the file is, and I can hit next, and I can see, okay, which folder is it going to go into? Well, then I would want to pick my Motovlog folder and find Griot's Garage right here, right there, and I would export it, and there it would save in that location right there. So that's just kind of a quick breakdown of what goes on when you make a video for YouTube. And as you can see, it's you just don't cut the video and throw it up on YouTube. There's a whole lot that goes into it as well. But some of you have asked, and like I say, Final Cut Pro X is what I use. It's about $300, and I use it with my MacBook Pro, my 15-inch. But that kind of gives you an overview of what's going on, and some of you are curious and interested about this, so I thought I would do that. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, guys. Thanks a lot. This is Memphis Mike.